Hi everyone, we're going to look at how to solve proportions. So for these, what we're going to do is we're going to find a scale factor between corresponding numbers and then use that scale factor to find x. What typically works easiest is to try and point towards x. So from 14 going to x here, we want to kind of point in this same direction on the bottom. So 20 is getting scaled up here by some scale factor to produce the 132. So to figure out what that is, we find the scale factor by doing the new divided by the old. So the one we're pointing at is the new one. So we're going to take the new one, 132, and we're going to divide it by the old 120. And that will give us a scale factor that we're multiplying the 20 by to give us the 132. So that scale factor is 6.6. Then we go in the same direction here from left to right, because you want to point towards the x, times 6.6 there to the 14 gives us our value of x, which is 92.4. Over here, same idea. So we want to go towards x here, so we're going to go the same direction here. So we're going to take the one we're pointing at, the 10, and we're going to divide it by the one that we're starting at, the 26, and that will give us the new divided by the old. And it's okay if we get a weird decimal here, it's not a big deal. So we get a kind of a crazy decimal. It's like 0, so times 0.38461.5. And it keeps going. So keep that on your calculator, whatever that decimal is, and then we're going to do the same thing to the top here, times that 0.38 ... So keep it on your calculator, and then just hit times 18.2, and we'll get our answer for x. X is equal to actually just 7. After all that crazy decimal, it worked out, so x is just a value of 7. Couple more examples here. We want to point towards x here, so we're going to do 4 becoming 12. So we take for the scale factor, it'd be 12 divided by 4, which is pretty easy to do in your head. That's just times 3. So this is just times 3. So x is 18. For the next one, same idea. Let's point towards x, point towards x. So our scale factor here would be the new one, the 14, divided by 42. And this is going to be 1/3 because 14 goes into 42 3 times. This is going to be 0.3 repeating. So when you divide that, do 14 divided by 42. And again, just leave that decimal on your calculator. And then just hit the times button. So times 0.3 this way, so same direction, times 0.3. Leave that decimal on your calculator, then just hit times 57, and we'll get our answer. X equals 19. That's how we solve proportions.